This guide will walk you through filling out the 105H Non-Discrimination Testing Template. It covers how to navigate subjective questions, data explanations, and answer types to ensure accuracy and compliance. Navigate to the RTO Benefits website to download the 105H Non-Discrimination Test Template. Locate the Subjective Questions section within the template. Expand the section to view all prompts. Read each question carefully to understand what information is being asked. Enter your responses directly into the provided fields. Use the answer type format located to the right of the input answer column so responses are easy to interpret. Detailed explanations for each column are provided below the input fields. Please share to reference to ensure you are answering each question correctly. After completing this section, move to the next stage. Navigate to the Data Explanations tab. Read through the explanations to understand the data requirements for each field. Accurately input the requested data. Double-check entries for typos, errors, or omissions. Ensure values align with the explanations provided. Once complete, proceed to the Answer Type section. Review the available formats for responses. Select the appropriate answer type for each question based on your data. Ensure consistency between your written answers and the chosen formats. Save your progress regularly to avoid data loss. Open the 105H tab. Now you're ready to start inputting your data. We will go over what each column input is required. Employee ID. Use any unique alphanumeric employee ID. These values are not stored in the system. They are only used for reference to a row of data. Current year annual compensation. Enter the annual compensation for the current plan year that is being tested. Compensation will include base salary, bonuses, commissions, etc. Do not enter just base salary. It is asking for gross income. The IRS does understand that this will require some projection. A best practice is to choose a method and apply it consistently from year to year. Ownership percentage of company. This represents the percentage of ownership in the current plan year. Code 318 attribution rules apply if an employee is related to an owner as spouse, parent, child, or grandchild. The ownership percentage owned by those other individuals may need to be included in the percentage for that employee. See definition on the second tab. Reminder, do not use percent signs. Is this employee an officer? Enter yes if the employee is considered an officer of the company. See definition on the second tab. Is the employee participating? Enter yes if the employee is participating in the plan. Is the employee ineligible? Enter yes if the employee is not eligible to participate in the plan. Is this employee excludable? Enter yes if the employee falls into one of these 5 categories and is not eligible to participate. The 5 employee categories are 1. Part-time or seasonal, 2. Non-resident alien, 3. Union, 4. Under age 25 and 5. Less than 3 years service. Even if the employee is one of these classifications, there can still only be a yes entry if column F also has a yes entry. This question is to determine if this employee can be removed from one of the tests, so it is different from the previous ineligible column question. Do not enter yes for every employee, that is, any of the 5 categories. They must first be ineligible and based on one of the 5 categories. Excludable means, can this employee be removed from one of the tests, so it is different than the ineligible column question. This guide walked you through accessing and customizing the 105H data template, including setting subjective questions, understanding data explanations, selecting answer types, entering data accurately, and finalizing your submission. Please contact us if you have any questions.